Photosynthesis, a process all plants go through. Photosynthesis begins with raw materials. These are things that a plant needs for photosynthesis to occur. The first raw material, made of hydrogen and oxygen atoms, is known to us as water. Another raw material in the photosynthesis equation is CO2. This molecule, made up of carbon and oxygen atoms, is known as carbon dioxide. Once the plant has its raw materials, it can make two new things. The first product of photosynthesis, C6H12O6, a compound made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. We can call this compound glucose. Another compound made in the process of photosynthesis is O2. This compound, made of oxygen atoms, is the oxygen gas that we breathe in. Plants obtain their raw materials from their environment. When it rains, water is released into the soil. This water then travels up through the roots of plants and makes its way into the leaves. Another raw material in the photosynthesis equation comes from animals. Carbon dioxide is released when animals breathe out. The CO2 finds its way into the leaves of plants. Once inside the leaves of plants, the photosynthesis equation can begin. Inside the leaves, water and carbon dioxide, with the help of the sun, is turned into glucose and oxygen. Water molecules find their way into the chloroplasts of plant cells. These molecules are joined by carbon dioxide. With the help of the sun, something magical takes place. Water molecules and carbon dioxide molecules are broken apart and rearranged to create glucose and oxygen. Let's see this process again. With the help of the sun, 6 water molecules and 6 carbon dioxide molecules are broken apart. Their atoms are rearranged to make glucose and 6 oxygen molecules. This process continues with the help of the sun in the chloroplasts of all plants. Water plus carbon dioxide is used to make glucose and oxygen. These materials then leave the plant. Oxygen leaves the leaves through tiny openings called stomata. The oxygen goes into the atmosphere so animals like you and I can breathe in. The glucose doesn't leave the plant. It stays inside the leaves, and the plant uses the glucose molecules as energy. Photosynthesis, a process that happens in all plants.